Hello everyone, welcomes to my Golden Bachelor Nation Today channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In the divorce battle, is Rachel Lindsay paying her ex's legal bills? The divorce of Bachelorette Rachel Lindsay has taken a bad turn. Does she cover her ex-husband's divorce-related legal costs? For more information on the surprising court battle between the Bachelor Nation alumni, continue reading. Even Rachel Lindsay herself may not have anticipated her divorce from Brian Abasolo, the Bachelorette star. On January 1, 2024, her spouse unexpectedly filed for divorce following 4 years of marriage. The season 13 Bachelorette appeared to be taken aback by the filing. Just a few weeks before the start of the legal dispute, she made their plans to adopt public. When trolls assaulted his wife online in January, Brian Abasolo stood up for her, but it appears that he is now taking the gloves off. Recent court documents filed on his behalf provide numerous personal information about Rachel Lindsay's life that she wished to remain unseen by the public. The former couple continues to reside together in a home that Brian Abasolo feels he should own half of, to start with. In addition, the court filings state that he makes a pitiful $1,700 per month compared to her $60,000. He wants his ex-wife to cover his legal expenses in addition to appealing for spousal support. Even though it's painful to witness a once-happy marriage become more complicated, Rachel Lindsay has a lot of support from her followers. She has retained the same attorney Kim Kardashian had when she and rapper Kanye parted ways. The Bachelorette alum had intended to settle the divorce amicably without disclosing too many facts to the public, according to Radar Online. But that ship has sailed. It seems that Rachel Lindsay is now intent on thwarting her ex's attempts to collect money from her. In order to do this, she submitted documentation to the judge asking him to reject Brian Abasolo's request for her to cover his divorce-related legal expenses. Rachel continues to pay 90% of all expenses for Brian to live in her house, according to the divorce answer filed by Rachel's attorney. However, the site claims that Rachel Lindsay remained silent when it came to the question of whether the court ought to approve or deny his request for spousal assistance. After her ex filed a motion for emergency spousal support, the former couple is anticipated to return to court shortly to work out a settlement. Do you believe Rachel Lindsay ought to pay her ex-husband's court costs during their divorce? Share your opinions in the comments section. Fans of Bachelor Nation make fun of Gabby Windey in a novel way. The 33-year-old former Bachelorette Gabby Windey began a trend that many others have since copied. However, other fans made fun of her because they couldn't find anything funny about it. Some ABC viewers think she's a very funny person. Maybe that's why she revealed to the public that she hooked up with comedian Robbie Hoffman when she came out. Either Eric Schwer's ex from The Bachelor is liked by Bachelor Nation fans, or they don't seem to care about her. It could also have to do with her sense of humor. Her wit is clearly appreciated by her younger supporters. Many people said that she made them laugh aloud during her scenes on The Bachelorette. Given how popular her humor is, Gabby Windey could one day be able to pursue a career as a stand-up comedian. Maybe she can go to the theater with Robbie someday. While everything is going on, a lot of people just love her on TikTok, where she even started a trend by making some people laugh. A fan of The Bachelorette posted a video of the ABS star uttering the phrase "BLURRR" a lot on Reddit. They said that she had established a trend in their caption. Fewer people understood it in the comments, though. Even though the average membership of the sub is younger than she is, perhaps it's an age problem. Says the OP regarding Gabby Windey. I recently had my nails done. And their BLURRRISTG, which is a sound that Gabby Windey made, I've heard a lot of girls use in TikToks. Many ABC viewers shook their heads during the conversation, unable to understand the star's sense of humor. It's not that she's not humorous, rather, it's that they completely miss the mark. These are a few responses. I thought she must have been high on this. I fail to see Gabby's attraction. She seems to be trying hard to sound foolish when she speaks. I apologize, but if that is her natural speaking voice, it simply irritates me. Not to be mean, but it's just not funny. Not true to yourself. It's as though you were on DWDTS, but she attempts to dance in a strange and ridiculous way, acting like a terrible dancer. That's also how all of her TikToks sound, like they're done in a baby voice. People find it hilarious, and none of them sound serious. How the heck is this amusing, I ask myself. It was only on the fourth one that I realized they were saying blue, as I had never heard of this before or seen the film. When I saw the manicure's constant hue, I realized that blur was a derogatory word I was ignorant of. My daughter is accurate when she says that I look embarrassing. I believe the median age of this group is 31, based on a couple of years ago census data. Thus, it's likely that a sizable portion simply aren't on TikTok and don't understand the comedy, trends, or atmosphere. How do you feel about Gabby Windey making fun of herself by saying blurrr a lot? Do you find it funny? Or simply don't get it? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and return here for all Bachelorette news. Alums of Golden Bachelor respond to Joan Vasso's Teresa Nist and others are cast in the lead role. Golden, and the Bachelor Nation is ecstatic about her. On Tuesday, May 14, Joan, 61, was formally revealed as the Golden Bachelorette, becoming the first leading lady of the spin-off series of The Golden Bachelor. Supporters will recall Joan for departing early from Jerry Turner's season to tend to her daughter, who had just given birth. When word leaked out about her casting, Joan posted on her Instagram story. Being hashtag the Golden Bachelorette is an honor for me. Her former Golden Bachelor co-stars, including Jerry, who gave the incoming lead some wise counsel, and runner-up Leslie Fima, immediately joined in on the festivities. See all of the Golden Bachelor alumni who sent their best wishes to Joan as she sets out on her next adventure by scrolling down. Hello Joan, Jerry posted on Instagram, congratulations on being the first ever Golden Bachelorette. As the new face of the generation, you will be outstanding. From one golden to another, take a deep breath, unwind, and relish. Through Instagram stories, Teresa posted a cute picture of herself and Joan with the message, "My dear Joan, I am so excited for you." Leslie posted on Instagram stories, expressing her joy at Joan's newfound bachelorette status, stating, "Happy for my friend. First Golden Bachelor." With the comment, "So happy for you Joan," Kathy posted a cute selfie of herself with the potential lead on her Instagram grid. "My friend, you are very amazing, and I am excited to see where this path takes you." Bachelorette alum Jason Tartick is dating influencer Kat Stickler, according to a report from People. Stickler, who rose to social media fame in 2020 with her ex-husband, Mike, celebrated Tartick's newest book, Talk Money to Me, at a party in New York City Friday night. The pair was seen smiling in a group photo they shared on their respective Instagram stories, although they were not seated beside one another according to the outlet. The finance expert, 35, gave Stickler, 29, a shout-out during a speech at the event after name-dropping his fellow reality television stars who were present, including Tyler Cameron. Reps for both Tartick and Stickler did not immediately respond to Page 6's request for comment.